You know that moment when you walk into a party and instantly regret leaving your house? The music is too loud, people are shouting, someone pushes a drink into your hand and says, "Loosen up." Meanwhile, you're thinking, "I'd rather be anywhere else." If that's you, people probably call you boring, antisocial, or no fun. But what if not liking parties doesn't mean something's wrong with you? It just means your brain works differently? People who don't like parties aren't all the same. Psychologically, they tend to fall into a few types, just like people who stay calm or love staying at home for very different reasons. Knowing which one you are can explain a lot about your energy, your relationships, and how you see life. Let's break it down. Type 1, the overstimulated empath. This is the person who walks into a crowded room and feels like their brain just opened too many tabs. Music, lights, perfume, 10 conversations at once. It's not fun, it's an attack. Your nervous system doesn't filter input the way other people's does. It absorbs everything, like people who feel drained in crowded places because their senses pick up every sound and emotion at once. By the time everyone else is just getting started, you're already exhausted. You're not fragile, you're sensitive in the literal biological sense. For you, a party isn't a celebration, it's sensory overload with balloons. Type 2, the depth seeker. Small talk is your personal horror movie. You can fake it for a bit. What do? How's work? But inside, you're shutting down. Your brain craves meaning, not background noise. You'd rather have one real conversation on a quiet balcony than shout 10 empty ones over a speaker. That's the same pattern seen in people who hate small talk. They're not rude, they just get bored when things stay shallow for too long. Parties often feel like a stage where everyone is performing a version of themselves. Fake laughs, forced smiles. We should totally hang out sometime. That never happens. Acting interested in things you don't care about feels like lying with your whole personality. That inner conflict drains you more than staying home ever could. Type 3, the guarded heart. Some people stopped liking parties the day a party stopped liking them. Maybe you were the kid no one talked to. Maybe you showed up to a celebration that was supposed to be for you and almost nobody came. Maybe you opened up once only to be mocked or ignored. People who go through repeated disappointment on happy days often train their brain to stop expecting good things from social events at all. Your mind learns a quiet rule: crowds equal danger. Excitement equals disappointment soon. So when someone says, "It'll be fun, just come," your body remembers every time fun turned into pain. You keep your distance, not because you hate people, but because you're tired of being hurt in rooms that are supposed to be happy. Type 4, the self-contained creator. These are the people who feel more alive in their own space than in any club or house party. While others are getting ready to go out, you're planning a project, a game, a playlist, a piece of art. Your room isn't a prison, it's your personal lab. You don't need a crowd to feel excitement because your curiosity already gives you dopamine. The same way home-loving introverts recharge and come back to life in their own space. The world says real life happens at parties, but you know some of your best moments happen when you're alone, building something, learning something, or just existing in peace. It's not laziness, it's alignment. Now, here's the twist. In a culture that worships loud, always up for anything energy, people who don't like parties often think they're broken. But look at these types again. The overstimulated empath feels too much. The depth seeker wants real connection. The guarded heart is protecting old wounds. The self-contained creator builds their own meaning. None of that is no fun. It's just different fun. Does that mean you should never go out? Not necessarily. Too much isolation can slowly turn peace into loneliness. The goal isn't forcing yourself to love parties. It's choosing environments and people that feel safe for your nervous system, honest to your values, gentle with your past, and respectful of your creativity. Maybe your version of a party is 3 close friends, late night talks, board games, or cooking together. Maybe it's a quiet cafe, a long walk, or a voice call at 2 a.m. The point isn't to match society's idea of fun, It's to find the kind of connection that doesn't drain your soul. So tell me, which one do you see yourself in? The overstimulated empath? The depth seeker? The guarded heart? The self-contained creator? Or a mix of them all? Drop it in the comments. If this made you feel a little more understood, hit like, subscribe, and share this with that one friend who always leaves the party early or never shows up at all. And if you're looking for people who get you, check the link in the description and join our community. We're building a place where you don't have to perform to belong.